In this video, you'll learn how to update your Pixel Experience ROM from Android 9 to Android 10 safely. By following these steps, you will ensure a smooth transition to the latest version of Android while minimizing the risk of data loss or device issues. Begin by backing up all important data on your device. This can include photos, contacts, and any other files you cannot afford to lose. Use a reliable backup method such as Google Drive or a local backup tool. After securing your data, download the correct Android 10 Pixel Experience ROM specifically designed for your device. It is crucial to verify that the file is compatible with your model and that it has not been corrupted. You can check the file size and hash values if available. Additionally, ensure your device is adequately charged, ideally above 70%, to avoid interruptions during the update process. Next, turn off your device completely. To boot into recovery mode, you will need to use a specific combination of buttons, which typically involves holding down the power and volume buttons simultaneously. If you have a custom recovery like TWRP installed, this will allow you to access the necessary options. Once in recovery mode, navigate to the wipe section and select the options to wipe the system, cache and data. This step is essential as it prepares your device for the new ROM installation. Make sure to follow any specific instructions related to your ROM to avoid any potential issues. After wiping the necessary partitions, return to the main menu of the recovery. Now select the option to install or flash the downloaded ROM file. You may need to navigate to the location where the file is stored, such as the internal storage or SD card. Once you select the ROM file, confirm the installation. During this process, you will see a progress bar indicating the status of the flashing. It is important to be patient, as this may take several minutes depending on the file size and your device's performance. Once the flashing process completes, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the installation was successful. At this point, you can proceed to reboot your device. The first boot after installing a new ROM may take longer than usual, so allow some time for the system to initialize. After your device boots up, you will need to go through the setup process, such as signing into your Google account and configuring your settings. Your Pixel device should now be running Android 10 safely. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.